street, or you can take off your shoes, whatever is easier for you. And what it covers, and then on the back there's a floor plan as well. So what you see here is pretty much standard to those builds. So Caesarstone countertops, built-in fridge, Thermador appliances.
These furnitures are display only, right?
So the building was sold first in 2014 as floor plans. In 2016 was when it was completed. The owners lived in it and then moved out during COVID. They had one renter in, and this is the first resale.
So it was rented for how long, do you know?
For 2 years.
2 years, okay.
And the renters were paying $9,000 a month, and that was with a COVID discount.
And this is what's the, besides the listing price, what's the HOA fee for this?
$13.92.
Okay.
And that covers water, gas, garbage, sewer. We have the pool, the gym, the hot tub, and then 24-hour doorman at both lobbies.
So this is the living room.
Yeah.
And then
Tell me a little bit about what you guys are looking for. And pretty much tech companies start at like second Street and all the way up to Market Street. So we have a lot of neighbors here. So I live in the building. We have a lot of neighbors here. Googlers, Pinterest people that walk down that way. Yeah. And Mission Bay itself is very unique, as you can tell. So there's a association for the building, and then there's a small association for the building. It's called Mission Bay Youth Work. They take care of parks, dog parks, landscaping, this park across the street that you can see over here. So it's become a little oasis for the city. It's not just your bachelor, vibe that's
so it's 2 rooms, 2 baths, right?
3 bedrooms.
3. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one more here.
Yeah, so both suites on either side. This is a smaller suite.
Got it. Okay.
No, go ahead and give it up. And then, so for me coming to Mission Bay, Eric and still work down in Burlingame. Yesterday. So getting on and off the freeway is a huge plus. Getting on 280 rather than like being deep inside and you have to go through city traffic in order to get on the freeway. So it's I time it's like 11 minutes to South San Francisco. The views are really nice, so you can see the bridge from that end of the balcony and also the primary bedroom and the guest room.
Is it okay to?
Yeah, here, let me open it for you. It's a little confusing. So you lift up and give it a push.
Okay. This is what the view looks like. Is there parking in this unit?
Yeah, so with Moser construction, you always get one parking, one storage, and one balcony.
Got it.
Notice in other buildings, one Mission Bay, other developers, there's no outdoor space.
Yeah.
And parking is not every unit as well.
Yeah. I think the point of this place is mainly the views, and besides the.
It's really interesting because it's a high rise still, but it's the 13th floor, so you wouldn't think you get views like this because when you go into like the thick of it over there, unless you're on 25 and up, you don't get views really because everything is so tall there. basically get fireworks right there between one Rincon and that first tower of the Bay Bridge.
Yeah, and you